Unión Puerto have kicked off the season positively. However, we'd barely got through the gate as they conceded an early goal to San Mateo. Never mind. Seeing the fans in their new kit seemed to spur Puerto on. They pushed forward and forced an own goal in retaliation. Not content with that, they ploughed through the orange shirts and got another one past the keeper. However, it just wouldn't be a Puerto match without something to rattle the nerves. Some questionable defending handed San Mateo a penalty and put them back in the game. Frustration for Unión Puerto loomed over half-time. There were some good spells from both teams into the second half, but there was little to choose between them. Then, all of a sudden, a determined Andrew Barcelona pulled this belter out of nowhere. San Mateo didn't see it coming, and embarrassingly, neither did we. Must do better, FuerteTube. San Mateo refused to take a beating without fighting back. They equalised soon after. That was Puerto's cue to step up to the mark and take every chance. Their time to nick the win came and went. Still, a decent result for both teams and a wealth of goals to entertain the crowd. Final score: Unión Puerto 3, San Mateo 3.